Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to do NDVI map by using a specific shapefile or according to our study area. So I have a study area. This is Majuli Island of Assam, and I want to do the NDVI for this island. And we know that Majuli is the largest river island in Asia. So before going to the NDVI, you should know the equation. This slide showing the normalized difference vegetation index. Okay, and you can see here formula is NDVI near infrared minus rate divided by near infrared plus rate. And here I also mention NDVI for Landsat 8 band composition, for Landsat 4 to 7 band composition, Sentinel image 2 band composition. And one thing also I want to mention here, in Landsat 8 and Landsat 9 both have the similar band, so you can go the band combination of Landsat 8. So according to Landsat 8 or according to Landsat 9, band 5 is inner band and band 4 is a red. So you should select only band 5 and band 4. Okay, now we'll go to our ArcGIS. So within this file, I have a file. This is the Majuli map work, and you can see I have a Landsat 8 satellite data, 9 and 7, and I want to do this NDVI map by using the Landsat 9 satellite image. So just click here, and remember we need band 5 and band 4. Band 5 is a inner band and band 4 is a red band. So just select this band 5 and drag it here first, and again go for band 4, select this and drag it here. Now go to the table of content from this location, catalog, so table of content, and if I extend it, you can see band 4 and band 5. Okay, band 4 is a red band. If I uncheck, you can see here I can also uncheck this one, and this is the band 5. If I uncheck, you can see band 5. This is the near infrared, that means more reflection is there, and this is the red band. The vegetation cover area is actually absorb most of the emitted energy. Now before going to NDVI, it is not necessary to do NDVI for my entire image, because my study area is located only here, and I want to do the NDVI only for my this study area. So what should I do? At first we will do the mask. That means I want to cut down only that portion which covered within our study area. So how we can do this? So you can directly do from here, this arc toolbox. From here, if you don't have the arc toolbox, you can easily go to the customize, or you can directly go with this symbol arc toolbox. If you click this, and this arc toolbox will appear in your screen. Okay, so now there's a two process. One, we can search it from the mask from the arc toolbox. From here, like analysis, you can see several items is there. Extraction, if I click here, you can see clip, select, split. If I go overlay, you can see here these are the some tools, technique, proximity analysis. There's a number of tools, technique is there within this analysis tool. And another is easy method is that you can just click on this search button, that you can also see from here. This one, search, Ctrl plus F. So if I click this search option, and if I click here mask, mask, and click on this search, automatically several options will come, and masking tool actually available within this spatial analysis section, extract by mask. If I go here again, arc toolbox, so spatial analysis tool, and within this, if I go to extraction, you can see extract by mask. So you can go directly here, or you can directly write here within this search option mask, and that mask will appear. So double click here, extract by mask. So new window will open or table will open, and will mask our selected study area from this entire Landsat 9 satellite image. So at first you should select input raster. So at first I want to mask band 4, select this band 4, then go to the input raster of feature mask data to select your module boundary and this output. So select, click here, and you should remember where you want to save your data. So you can see here I have a folder within desktop, that is NDVI. So within NDVI file I want to save this. So this is the band 4. So I directly I can write here band 4 dot TIFG, and this file format for the ArcGIS activity or within this ArcGIS platform, the file format should be TIFF file format, because ArcGIS basically support TIFF file format. So band4.tiff, then click save, then click OK. So it will take a few seconds or few minutes according to your machine configuration. Okay, process complete. I want to show you. So at first I want to uncheck all of this. Now you can see this is the band 4 extracted area. That means according to module island I already cut this portion of that Landsat 9 satellite image. So similar tasks will do again. So extract by mask and select the band 5 here, and the mask area is module boundary, and our output boundary will be here, but here I only change the band number. This is the band 5. Click save, click OK. Okay, done. Now what I'll do, I will remove these two, or I can uncheck this. Okay, so now we can see this is band 5. If I uncheck this, this is band 4, and this is our module island. If I double click here, if I go to hello, okay, then you can see only the output boundary, and I can change the boundary color so I can easily see the boundary. So this is the module boundary. Now I want to do the NDVI map of my study area. So now again I want to see the equation. You can see near infrared minus red, then near infrared plus red. Okay, this is the simple formula. So I can go to ArcGIS. Now here you can search raster analysis. Raster analysis, because all the analysis portion actually done in the raster analysis table. So you can simply click here raster analysis, or raster calculation you can write, raster calculation you can write. So raster calculation already come in the raster analysis, or you can go to the Arc toolbox. Within the spatial analysis tool, within this Arc toolbox, map algebra and raster calculator. You just click, double click here. Now according to our equation, first bracket near infrared minus red, first bracket divided by near infrared plus red. This is our equation. So we basically do here by using float. Double click float. So this is our band 5. Band 5 means near infrared. So near infrared minus red, then divided by, again double click on float, near infrared plus red. Okay, near infrared band 5 minus band 4. Similarly band 5 means near infrared plus band 4, and our output value will be the NDVI module. Process completed. You can see here NDVI module. So I want to uncheck this, and you can see some values. You can see values, high value and low value. So what is the meaning of this value? According to NDVI, the values is between the -1 to +1. -1 means, that means the negative value always represent the water bodies. On the other hand, the positive value represent the vegetation cover. High positive value represent the healthy or the very dense vegetation, and low positive value represent the sparse or scanty vegetation. So basically in NDVI we know that the values which the less than the 0, actually known as the water bodies, are values surrounding associated 0 to 0.1 or 0.2 is you can say the barren land or settlement area or bare soil. On the other hand, the value more than 0.2 actually basically we notate or identify as a vegetation cover. So according to this we want to assign the color. So for that, go to properties. Here I can select the green color automatically and click here apply. So you can see here the green, the deep green area is actually vegetation cover. On the other hand, the less green area is then other than vegetation cover. But we can go for the different other work. I want to classify this, so I can classify it into 2 or 3 group or according to your record, or you can manually you can classify this. Okay, for example, one is the value will be the 0. Okay, or I can increase the number of class manual within this manual. For example, I want to change the class is 5 class. Go to classify. So first one is 0, then you can write here 0.2, then 0.4, and like this. Then click on OK and change the color combination is like this. Invert color combination should be there, flip color. That means the negative value represent the water bodies and positive value represent the vegetation cover. Again the value 0.0 to 0 to 0.2 I want to change the color. I can assign this color. Okay, apply and OK. Now you can see the clear view of the Majuli Island. Blue color area, no doubt these are the water body of the Brahmaputra river. This you can say brown color actually showing the areas where have sand or open land or other than vegetation cover, and this green color showing the vegetation cover area. Again we can classify, or we can identify two color in two different color combination that actually show the healthy vegetation and sparse vegetation. If I zoom it, you can see some areas within this area have the vegetation cover which have values more than 0.4. That means these are the very healthy or high concentration of vegetation cover. So this is the simple technique or a way. By this we can easily calculate the vegetation cover. So NDVI calculation. The next is very simple. Click on this layout view, and after that you just double click, just simple click here, right click here, page and print setup. You can click here, or you can go directly landscape mode. Okay, after that you can assign your the study map very easily, and you can do it within a very short time. And you know that this ArcGIS is more user friendly compared to other. You can directly click here this full extent or fit to frame. You can double click here and you can bring it here according to your need. You can zoom it or zoom out. Okay, not only that, you can also change the scale. For example, if I reduce the scale, then map will increase. For example, 38,000. Okay, so you can see our map already increase. Again I want to decrease 38. Okay, so map increase. If I want to 35, you can see map only increase. So this is quite good. Now what we'll do, actually I need some basic information required here. For example, if I go to properties after selection this area, I have to mention the latitude and longitude. So go for grid, go for new grid, then go the next, click on a level only, then next, then click on properties. You can see my previous tutorial about the how to prepare the layout map. There I briefly discuss everything. Here I want to mention some small things only. So interval only 10 minute interval I want to see. Then lines show, it's okay. Levels, you should go levels each and every set required, and the vertical level I select this left and right. Size select 12, and this should be times New Romans. Okay, everything you can change after also, but I want to show there. Okay, apply. If I click on OK, you can see the latitude and longitude already showing here. Then again go to the insert, then go to the north line, select anyone from here. Okay, then click on OK, and you can select your north line. Okay, I can bring it here, I can also zoom it. So this is our north line. You can set according to your requirement. Then go to insert, go to the legend. So I need the Majuli only, NDVI Majuli. Click on next, finish. So our extension already gone. Then go to the convert to graphics, go to ungroup. Okay, then again go to ungroup, or sorry, what I'll do, I mistakenly, I think I did again group or ungroup. It's okay. So now I can write here this value like this. Okay, first one this, second one is like this, and the last one is like this. Not only that, I can also write here something like, sorry, deep water. Okay, click on OK. Then I can also write here shallow water. Where you can write here land surface. Or you can write here open land, barren land, other things. You can write here scanty vegetation or sparse. Or dense vegetation. Okay, apply. Okay, I can delete this one after selection. I can also modify this NDVI value. Okay, I can take it here. Legend is here. I can again select this, right click, group, then you can go the drawing table, select 16 or 16 here, and then you can also select the time New Romans or other font according to your requirement. Okay, now I select to again go to insert, go to scale, select anyone. I don't go explain anything. Okay, then I just give the heading, so you can just directly click here this text. I can write here like NDVI map of Majuli Island or Majuli River Island, Assam, India, Feb 2023. Okay, double click here, you can select. Okay, if it is greater than that, you can reduce also, or you can go for 2 lines. Okay, click on here and you can select any font according to your need. Time New Romans I want to select. So NDVI map of Majuli Island, River Island, Assam, India 2023. Okay, so this is our work. Now I want to save it. File, then export map. I want to go to desktop. So here NDVI, and I want to write here output map dot tif. Okay, or you can select from here dot tif, png dot tif, jpg, whatever you need you can select from here. Okay, output map. Then you can also increase resolution, width and height according to your requirement. Then click on save. Now I want to go to the my desktop NDVI, and I want to click here. Okay, output map already comes, and file size is 43 MB because of, we can say, 400 dpi. So this is our output map. Okay, so this is a very simple tutorial. By using this tutorial you can do the NDVI map of any area according to your needs. So thank you for watching, and keep subscribe my channel for more video and more update. Thank you again.